all his YouTube videos. I'm telling you guys, I would follow him to the max.
You have been huge, just inspiration.
But when that one piece of information guaranteed me to follow him for life.
On the internet that just inspired all of us to go after our dreams.
I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get it, no kidding. Breaking down a swish in front of your building. Sitting on the steps feeling no feelings. Last night it was a cold killing. You gotta keep the devil in his hole, nigga. But you know how it go, nigga. I'm front line every time it's on, nigga. 100 pro flow, running shoot pro. 458 drop, playing bulletproof soul. Every few shows I just buy some new gold. Circle got smaller, everybody can't go. Downtown Diamond District, jewelers like yo. Hustle, holla at me, I got Cubans on the low. Through the Cancun, smoking Cubans on the boat. Then dock that Tulum just to smoke. Look, listening to music at the Mayan ruins. True devotion on the bluest ocean. Cruising, my cultural influence, even revolution. I'm integrated vertically, y'all niggas blew it. They tell me hustle, dumb it down, you might confuse them. This ain't that weirdo rap you motherfuckers used to.
I must say, since I got connected with him, I've made more money than I ever made.
Every day that you wake up, nigga, you richer than you ever been. Every day that you're free, nigga, you richer than you ever been. Now let's get to the motherfucking money, nigga. Huh. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Time to get a bigger Benz. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richest that I ever been. Running through the city, I perform like Jackie Gleason. Bitches running up, they say, Rose, I'm glad to meet you. Money was the object, broke the kilo down to pieces. Running through the mall, I got my niggas all new sneakers. Then we started ballin', time to get them all two-seaters. And we got G-Wagons just to sit them on Adidas. Flooded all the paddocks and it came with all the features. Bitches never mattered, time to run up all the visas. Getting money, only time for me, I ever be at peace. I'm a bill of mansion, seated on Virginia Keys. I'm the only one who did it biggest masterpiece. Talking 9 figures, rapping on these niggas beats. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richer than I ever been. The richest that I ever been. Richest that I ever been. Time to get a bigger Benz. The richest that I ever been. Richer than I ever been. Richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been. The richest that I ever been.